How are we doing? I'm Mike from DiTEC Marine Products. Today's project, we're going to clean and restore this teak table. So what I'm going to do now is apply our Triton one-step protectant to the teak table on half of it. Again, Triton binds to the natural fibers of the teak wood. It allows the table to breathe, and it protects against water, oil, foods, wine, whatever else you're going to spill on this table. We're going to protect it with our Triton. We're going to probably put 2 coats on half the table, and we're going to show you the results in 24 hours.
For smaller areas of application, Triton can be rolled on with a large or small roller. For larger applications, such as a boat deck, it can be applied with a handheld pump sprayer and then back rolled. As I mentioned earlier, Triton will allow the wood furniture or teak deck to breathe and still protect the surface without changing the feel or natural appearance of your teak. Sealants change the appearance and the feel of your teak. Oils will change the appearance of your teak while also collecting and trapping dirt and other contaminants.
Okay, we're back today, 24 hours later, and we've applied 2 coats of Triton yesterday afternoon and let it dry thoroughly. Now we're going to show you how well Triton protects against water and other elements and keeps your table or your teak deck looking as good as can be for many months. So first, we're going to pour some wine onto a small area here that's half of it's treated and half of it is untreated. You can see how it beaded up here and how here it soaked in right away. You can see that the portion that was treated, which is this half here, the wine really did not absorb into it. You can look at this and see point blank that the Triton protected against the wine seeping into the teak, no doubt. Next, we're going to try some olive oil. Drizzle this on a little bit and kind of show you what it does. Now again, you can see the darker portion here absorbing into the teak. Here you can see where it was treated, the overlay of the Triton application. You can see where it's absorbing, where it's not absorbing by the darkness. Look at that.
Wow, that is impressive.
So now it's about a half hour after we applied both the wine and the olive oil. You can see how they both have clearly absorbed into the teak wood, and they're leaving a stain. You can see the red there, you can see the oil that's absorbed into the teak. And now we're going to go ahead and spray the whole table down with water and kind of show you how water is going to beat up and how it protects against dirty water that from acid rain or whatever it may be. Now when you look at this, just because it's not beating up doesn't mean it's not protecting the table. You can see here where it's absorbing in to both the cleaned and untreated Triton half and just the side that wasn't touched at all. But you can see how it's not absorbing into the Triton protected side. Now if it's the morning or you just had a rain and you want to get your teak clean, you can see how it stopped the rain or the water from going in to the wood, and you can just wipe it off or squeegee it off, or some people take a leaf blower and blow the water off. You can see the water just coming right off. All done. Triton protected, not protected.